Ever wondered why pool mastic repair is important? Well, the answer lies in the very structure of your pool. Mastic is a waterproof sealant that fills the gap between your pool's edge and the surrounding deck. It serves as a flexible cushion, absorbing the movements and shifts that naturally occur due to changes in temperature, moisture, and even ground movement. So, when your mastic starts to crack or peel, it's more than just an aesthetic issue. It's a structural one too. So, how does one go about repairing pool mastic? The process can be broken down into 4 main steps: removing the old mastic, cleaning the joint, applying new mastic, and allowing it to cure. First, the old damaged mastic needs to be completely removed. This is usually done using a utility knife or a scraper to carefully cut away the old sealant without damaging the pool deck or pool edge. Remember, it's crucial to get rid of all the old mastic to ensure a clean, smooth surface for the new sealant. Once the old mastic is removed, the next step is to clean the joint thoroughly. This involves removing any remaining debris or residue from the joint. A wire brush or a pressure washer can be used to ensure the area is as clean as possible. After cleaning, it's important to let the area dry completely before moving on to the next step. The third step is the application of the new mastic. There are different types of mastic available on the market, but a common choice is a self-leveling pool mastic. This type of mastic is poured into the joint and then smoothed out with a trowel to ensure an even, level seal. And finally, the mastic needs time to cure. This can take anywhere from 2 days to a week, depending on the specific product and the weather conditions. During this time, it's important to keep the area free from foot traffic and to avoid getting it wet. To summarize, pool mastic repair is a crucial part of pool maintenance. Not only does it help maintain the aesthetic appeal of your pool, but it also plays a critical role in protecting the structure of your pool and surrounding deck. The process involves removing the old mastic, cleaning the joint, applying new mastic, and allowing it to cure. So the next time you see some cracks or peeling in your pool's mastic, remember it's not just a cosmetic issue. It's a sign that your pool is in need of some TLC. You can choose to tackle this yourself or hire a licensed professional like those at Leakmasters of Waco. Reach out to them today.